Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have another beautiful build by David Serafan. This is a 1942 WL Type 1. Very rare because they only produce a total of 404 units. This is painted in the correct paint, so the olive paint, and it has that nice patina, but this actually only has maybe 3 test miles on it. It has a completely rebuilt motor and a completely rebuilt gearbox as well. The only replacement metal in this bike would be your front fender and rear fender, and they were made properly, so those are not original pieces, they rust out. You do have a storage box here, a gun mount, and then you also have a shovel. When you're looking at it, you're gonna see that this is original and period correct, along with the horn itself. New wiring harness with the wax that covers it, so like the cloth covering. And then when we look at the side of this bike, you're gonna see that it has the proper carburetor and the original motor in it. It's got the original carburetor right here. It's an M88 Lukert carburetor, and it's been rebuilt as well, just like the motor. Look at how nice it is. You can see your clutch assembly right here. You got your advanced, so this is how it advanced. And you have your brakes and your throttle. Another cool thing we'll do is we'll throw this thing outside and we'll get it started, and you get to see Mr. Serafan fire it off. There you go, David. The leather itself has been restored, and it's not the pebble style, it's the soft, like the non-grainy version. The bags are the same as well. You do have the rear tire pump as well. Air box has been replaced. Here's your Kickstarter. And then what's neat about these bikes, so back in the day when you're at war, these things used to dump out right here and it would shoot dust everywhere so your enemies could see where the cloud was. So this has the correct exhaust to keep the, I guess, the dust down. I'm sure it still makes dust, but super clean bike. If you're looking for a very rare piece of American history, this is definitely it. I will break down everything that's been done to this bike. So another cool feature about this specific bike is the headlamp and then the actual handlebars. They only use that for this production style bike. You can see the original Harley-Davidson gauge in there, gauge cluster in there. And this is how you turn your lights on. And then this is how you prime your fuel system. So you'll pull this out. And then you pump it, and you're good to go. I just love the patina that he put on this bike. So we're gonna get a lot of questions in regards to the frame being original. This is a 100% original frame. Another neat feature, we have a sleeping bag that's gonna be in here, and I believe it's lined with wool, which is neat. You have the correct taillights, and then you have a stand, which is on the other side. You can see that we have it elevated because it sits a little lower, trying to keep the oil in the motor, not on my floor. Very cool because this was a 3-week production bike. It is verified by the numbers, and this is right before Pearl Harbor happened, and then they started to change the design style in regards to the handlebars like I talked about before, along with some of the frame components as well. If there's something I may have missed while I was giving this description on this beautiful bike, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. That information is going to help me learn more about this type of bike. I love these. David builds them for us so that we can give them to the public, and it's just a neat piece of history. Please be sure to like and subscribe so we can give you more content like this, or if you guys want to see anything else in this room or in our inventory list, please check it out at bulletmotorsports.com and give us an email, and we'll be sure to make a nice little video. Have a great day.